Discover the Excel website in the Excel Encyclopedia. The Excel website shows all the information you need to know about the Excel structured cabling system and provides you with access to download a range of useful resources, including product guides, brochures, infographics, and videos. The Excel website boasts an intuitive user experience and features all new dynamic content that is regularly updated with the latest information about Excel networking. Browse the online product catalogue for all technical specifications, data sheets, and product images. Discover the complete end-to-end solution. And find out how you can make the most of the Excel cabling partner experience.